going to talk about today, Izzy?
Well, today we're going to introduce you to the violin.
If you play violin, you already know what one looks like.
But you haven't met our violin yet. She's special because she has a name and she talks.
I remember when you first got her. Remember that?
Yep, I was 2 years old.
2. What's your name?
My name is Isidora.
Isidora, and how old?
And I have a wristmedine.
You have a dress. Look at that pretty dress.
I have a wristmedine.
Ooh, hello.
And then I have my new bow, and then I have my new violin.
And what's your violin's name?
Fanny. This is my new violin.
Oh, that was so cute. How old are you now, Izzy?
I'm 8.
And is Fanny still your violin?
No, now I have Rosie. Fanny got too small for me, but Fanny taught me all these fun things we want to teach you.
Well, how do we get Fanny to come over and teach our friends?
We call Lula, remember?
Of course. Why don't we all call her together? Are you ready? Lula! Lula!
Well, hello again. I'm so glad you've come into this wonderful world of Interland to join me. Today, I want to introduce you to my special violin friend. Her name is Fanny. Oh, look, here she comes. Hi, I'm Fanny, and I'm a violin. You might ask yourself, what are all these things I'm wearing? Well, come sit over here, and I'll teach you loud and clear. Listen to my violin song, and please help me sing along. This is the body, this is the neck, this is the fingerboard, this is the scroll, these are the pegs, this is the bridge, these are the F-holes, and these are the strings. That was fun! Now Fanny's going to show you her different parts, and you, my friends, can say the name of it. Here we go! Body, neck, fingerboard, scroll, pegs, bridge, F-holes, strings.
Let's play a game with our song. The name of this game is the call and response song, where I sing the words leaving out the name of the violin part, and you respond back by singing that part, showing it on your own violin.
I'll go get my violin. I got it.
Okay, here we go. Are you ready, Izzy? This is the body. This is the neck. This is the fingerboard. This is the scroll. These are the pegs. This is the bridge. These are the F-holes. These are the strings. We also want to encourage you to invite your young beginners to draw their own violin and name it with their favorite name.
You see, I also drew this one. Can you guess what her name is? Yes, it's Fanny!
We would absolutely love to receive your drawings from anywhere in the world, and we will give you a shout out in our next videos. Click on the link below to find out more about our Momisi Music Art friends and how to send your drawings to us.